How's it going, you guys? We're back out here again doing some more kayak fishing. And we got a little something different for you guys today. Right now we're fishing with one bait and one bait only for the entire day. It's going to be these 3-inch gulp shrimp. And I got those in pearl white. But right now we're fishing inshore. So catching like flounder, drum, sea trout, possibly some striped bass out here. But should be a pretty good day. We got about 6 hours of daylight out here. So I'm gonna keep fishing this shoreline here, and I'll let you guys know when we hook up. Oh yeah, that's fish right there, you guys. This dude's jumping all around. Not a bad way to start it. Been out for about 15 minutes, already hooked up. Come here, dude. Decent trout started out, you guys. Let's hope we can keep catching them out here. Oh yeah. Holding right off that tree. Looking like a nice little drum. Oh yeah. He inhaled that shrimp, you guys. Not the biggest drum I've ever caught, but that's a beautiful one. Got that blue going on its tail. Awesome fish. Oh yeah, right at the kayak, you guys. Oh, nice flounder. I'm not gonna horse him here. Slowly but surely. Oh wow, that's a really good flounder. Not bad, you guys. I already got 3 species today, and we've been out here for like an hour. Wow. All right, you guys. This one's definitely worth throwing on the stick here. Maybe not. He's probably about 14 inches though. We're on, you guys. First cast with the popping cork. I did not see that coming. I was looking away and I just felt it go down. Feeling like a good flounder. Man, that's cool. What is that actually? This looks like a redfish. Oh yeah. Not bad, you guys. I didn't tell you, but we switched it up to the popping cork. Threw that on a Texas rig, the white shrimp. First cast on that shoreline, you guys. Looked in this nice little redfish. Beautiful. Nice spots on him. And that shrimp's looking perfect. I'm gonna stick to that cork for a little bit because we just caught one first cast, but man, that's awesome. All right. pretty sure that's a gator out there, you guys. Yeah, that's a gator chasing my cork. That dude was sitting in the reeds. I'm sure you guys can see him poking out right there. It's probably like a 1, maybe 2 foot gator. Not today, buddy. Look at that, you guys. Dolphin just came up like 20 yards in front of us. Yep, another one out there. Super cool. Alright folks, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, we spent about 3 hours out here and we didn't get any more bites. So we're bringing it in right now. There's plenty of times out there where I kind of was kicking myself for only bringing this one lure. You know, there's different styles out there that I could have been fishing, so lesson learned, but still a pretty good day. We caught, I think it was 4 fish on that shrimp. But wrapping it up here. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.